Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Makukai. Welcome. So guys, first of all, I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you. I'm like saying this from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate that. So it has been a long time since I did a DIY. So in this video, I'm gonna be like doing a fashion DIY. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made a two-piece set from a hoodie, because like already I made it. So I'm just gonna like display the video of me wearing that two-piece set from the hoodie that I'm talking about. This is the two-piece set that I'm talking about, you guys. The cropped hoodie and the skirt. Okay, you can see it. Oh my god. Okay, so the cropped hoodie, you can just like team it up with jeans. It's gonna look so wow. And the skirt, you can like just pick any top of your choice and team it up with the skirt. It's gonna look so amazing. Okay guys, so here I chose to team up the skirt that I made from the hoodie with the white crop top and the socks and of course the shoes, and the outfit is so wow. The outfit is so dope, guys, and the skirt is so short, you guys. There you have it, baby. So if you wanna like see how I made it, you can just like proceed by watching this whole video, and yeah, you see how I made it, cause like yo, it's eco fish. This is how the hoodie looked like before I made an outfit out of it. It was so oversized, you guys. I bought it at Mr. Price and I thought it was gonna look like a dress when I put it on, but yo. Okay, so here are the materials that I used to make the outfit. The sewing pins, the pen, the scissors, the ruler, the thread, and the handheld sewing machine that I bought at Takealot. You can see that I drew a line just below "Girls Don't Dress for Boys" sentence. Yes, then from there I cut through the line. Then this is what I got: the cropped hoodie and this lower part. Here I was trying to measure the waist and to check how short the skirt was gonna be. After measuring the waist, I drew the line where I'm supposed to cut through. I attached the two parts of the skirt using the sewing pins to hold them together. Then from there, I used the handheld sewing machine to stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.